Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of NET Experts Academy. In this video, I'm going to show it to you how you are able to access the telnet by using your public IP from outside. So in my previous videos, I have shown to you how to enable the telnet and how to access through the public IP, right guys? So in my previous video, I have shown to you, this is my customer B. When he's trying to access the telnet towards customer A with the public IP 89.98.99.3 from this Windows 11 PC, the request what happened, it's come to my Windows, I mean this router, customer A router. Then he did the static NAT and he sent that information directly to my internal telnet server, which is 192.168.1.14. Right guys, that's what I have done it. But now what I'm trying to do now, let's say this is my Windows 11 PC and from here I'm trying to say 89.98.99.4 colon, I'll say 1 2 3 4. This is something interesting guys. Why I'm going to change my destination port, because everybody knows that the telnet is going to work on port number 23. So if I enable telnet port on 23, if everybody knows that yes, port number 23 is enabled and it's a telnet, then it's easy for hackers to identify it's a telnet service, and maybe they are able to intercept my traffic and they can see what configurations, what commands that I'm going to run, right? So for that, what I'm trying to do now, before, whenever you type 89.98.99.3, then the request is directly hit to my telnet server, right? But now what I'm trying to do, whenever you are trying to type 89.98.99.4 colon 1234, which means whenever I'm going to type, this is the destination port and this is the destination IP and this is the destination port, that time this has to translate it with 192.168.1.14 and the destination port should translate with 23. This is what I'm trying to do. You get my point guys? So that for that, what I'm trying to do now, I'll go back to my Cisco router, which is customer A. Then I'm trying to do that configurations. So open my telnet, I mean terminal. In customer A router, just I'm going to say IP NAT inside source static. Now you guys can see here, it's saying that what's the protocol that you are going to use. So I'm going to say TCP. Then what's your local IP address? So the local IP address is 192.168.1.14. Then after that, give question mark here. What is your local port? This is what something strange guys. Yeah, this is what something strange. The local port is port number 23. Then what's your global IP address? 89.98.99.4. Then what's your global port? 1 2 3 4. Is there anything else? Nothing. Simply hit enter. Now you can type do show IP NAT translation here. Then you can see something surprise here. So if anybody comes with this 89.98.99.4 with this IP and with this port number, I'm going to translating with 192.168.1.14 and sending to port number 23. This is the real port. You get my point guys? But whenever somebody try to scan my network and they can see port number 1234, but they are not able to clear this port is open for which service. You get my point guys? So this is one way of provide the security, because whenever you can see here the previously what I did here, any request comes to this public IP, it will simply transfer to 1.14. Either it could be a telnet service, it could be RDP, or it could be FTP, it could be DNS, it doesn't matter. You get my point guys? So simply I'm going to send whatever information, whatever traffic which is going to hit this public IP, it will simply translate it to this private IP. That's what I did it. But here I'm more specific. I'm saying that make sure that it's a TCP connection and they comes with this public IP from outside and with this port number, then only you can translate it. You get my point, guys? So now what I'm trying to do now, I just enable it. Already I did my telnet, which is I enable the telnet here, and in my router I said that who is my inside interface and who is my outside interface. Those two things I already configured. So now what I'm trying to do, I'll go to my Windows 11 PC. Yeah, let's go and do that. So this is my Windows 11 PC, right, guys? So just refresh it one time. Why? Because okay, refresh it. Now open the putty. So after opening the putty, and before that, what I'm trying to do, guys, I just open the command prompt and I just want to show it to you what's the IP address that I have it. But if you are following my previous videos, definitely you are able to understand what IP addresses that I configured. So CMD, say IP config. Now the IP address is 2.13, which means my branch location I configured this. Can I able to ping my branch router? Yes, you can able to do it. Just make it up. Congratulations. Now what I'm trying to do, just minimize this part. Now I'm trying to do the telnet, right? So select other. So I'm going to say here 89.98.99.4 and here the port number I'm trying with 23. The telnet. Say open. See here. Network error, connection refused, right? So now what I'm trying to do now, this time, just close this and open again. So this time I'm trying with telnet session that I'm trying to do 89.98.99.4 and I'm trying to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that say open. Congratulations. Now username is Seshu. Password is Cisco123. Now what you can do now, you can go to the telnet server which is here, open the terminal and type do show IP NAT translations. You guys can see here the connection is established and who's trying to access this guy 78.87.88.2. This is the public IP from my branch and he comes with this public IP and this is TCP connection with this port. So it's exactly right because there is an entry right in my router. They knows that if anybody comes with this public IP and with this port number and I'm going to redirecting to 1.14 and port number 23. That's why you are able to see this. You get my point, guys? And if you want to run any commands, you can run it. Show IP interface brief exclude unassign. That's it. You get my point, guys? That's the beauty of it. That's why most of the people, what they're trying to do, they will get some kind of confused. Hey, how we are going to hide our port number? Because here what I did, I hid the original port number. Then simply what I'm trying to do, when somebody comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to redirecting to port number 23, which is my real port, which is telnet. Okay, guys. And also if you see here, show users, and you can able to see this guy. Okay. And also one more bonus command, show TCP brief, you can able to see it as well. Get my point, guys? And this is the guy. The connection is established on port number 23. So you can able to see what are the TCP connections. Okay, guys. So this is the way how you are going to configure it. So to see the configurations here one more time, you just go here and type do show run section IPNet. Just type that. You can see here, this is 121 NAT direct. But here what I did, I just configure it. Whenever somebody comes with this public IP and this port number, then I'm going to translate to this private IP and this port number and which is TCP connection. Okay, guys. So these things are very, very important that you need to understand. And especially if your basics are clear, and definitely you're going to do all these things. I hope this has been informative and I would like to thank you for viewing.